Welcome back. In this video, we are going to move on to downloading the datasets. Just as a refresher on what we have covered so far, we have navigated the Spider and Jupyter notebook, and now you should be familiar after the previous video. Now, if you haven't watched that video, please do go through that before you come to this iris datasets and progressing to the next part in the data exploration analysis, as well as data visualization and presentation. So in this video, we are going to show you where you can go and download the iris datasets. Naturally, I will also provide that to you in the actual so-called link itself, the course link itself, but I just want to show you in case that you want to look at other data sets. So naturally, you just go to Google, type UCI machine learning repository. This is where a lot of the data sets is sourced from. So you just come over here, iris datasets, and open that up, and this is the source of the datasets itself. Basically, it contains multivariate, not just single or univariate. The task is a classification task, but there are a lot of useful stuff here, so we're gonna just play around with it just to see if we can actually make use of it for our learning purpose. So there are quite a lot of citation that make use of this. It is a really popular and very common database that you can actually, or people use to actually illustrate a few concepts. The data folder, it's here. I'll just open up the description as well. This is the data folder. There is the names, and this is where you download the data itself. So these are the actual description. It's really important to read the description. Now in this part here, there are actually 150. I'm going to show you how to actually extract that and look through that in details. Let's download the data. Okay, so let's just save this. Save it to our directory, and let me just save this here. So I'd like you to actually give this a try yourself and try to download the data yourself and store it in the same folder or same directory that we were not working on. Of course, you save it into your project directory so that we can actually access it in the next video. So that's pretty much the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to go into analysis of the data itself before we move on to visualization.